You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Greek originally. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary, including from Greek, stay tuned. I've got more videos, and especially biblical vocabulary. Hupomone, the meaning of being able to stand up even underneath the heavy load of trial or persecution. Hupomone, how to pronunciation, hupomone. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.